Okay, so now we've made our cut, and this is where it jumped, and you can see I cut perfectly in between, so I didn't compromise the actual stitch itself or the tuft of grass, so I cut right in between and to make my jump, and then it continues on. So what you're going to notice is you now have a small section that is noticeable, and it's right here. So what it's doing is this little section right here is mohawking. So from there to there, it's a little bit higher. And we fix that with a pair of construction scissors. And you can see this section right here where it's higher. And then all we do, so we just give it a little haircut, trim it back up, just trim it so it matches on both sides. And then now it's even all the way across.